Thank you for joining us. We'll begin with the purpose and history of the MedSurplus Alliance before focusing on the accreditation program, accreditation process steps, and the MSA Code of Conduct. The MedSurplus Alliance is a cross-sector collaboration of stakeholders involved in medical surplus recovery and redistribution in the United States and around the world. Hospital systems, manufacturers, donors, foundations, transportation and logistics companies, MSROs, and recipients are working together to better use these precious resources to save more lives. Since 2008, these stakeholders have worked to develop a set of voluntary operating standards to ensure that clinics and hospitals receive only requested, non-expired, and usable medical supplies and equipment. The MSA and the accreditation program finally make it possible for national health systems, manufacturers, and foundations to develop comprehensive donation programs with a single trusted partner that can act on behalf of many accredited MSROs at once. Healthcare systems, manufacturers, and foundations recognize the differences between the operations and product quality of MSROs on the left that adhere to the MSA Code of Conduct and World Health Organization donation guidelines, and those on the right that do not. One example is that some non-adhering MSROs commingle expired and non-expired products. Sending expired products risks customs sanctions, loss of licensure, and of course unsafe patient care. MSA accreditation is an independent, objective assessment of MSRO's adherence to World Health Organization donation guidelines and the MSA Code of Conduct. Accreditation is awarded separately in each of the three medical surplus product categories. These medical surplus recovery organizations achieved accreditation in 2016. Other MSROs are pursuing accreditation now. The accreditation process has 6 steps. First, MSROs use the free online self-assessment to determine readiness to apply for accreditation. Whether or not MSROs choose to apply, the self-assessment is a capacity-building tool. It shows MSROs where they are already using best practices and where they can improve their operations. If an MSRO wants to pursue accreditation, they complete the online application form, submit the application fee, and submit the self-assessment itself. At this time, an MSA staff member consults with the MSRO about the accreditation process and will be available for support going forward. Next, members of the Independent Accreditation Committee review and respond to each application. This review team shares with MSROs any standards to which the MSRO has not demonstrated adherence in their application. MSROs can address any concerns prior to the site visit. The site visit is conducted by one member of the review team. The team reviews findings from the site visit. The team shares their findings with the MSRO. The MSRO has one more opportunity to address any operational gaps before the team votes to recommend or withhold accreditation. Re-accreditation occurs every 3 years after the initial award is achieved. Accreditation is based on the MSA Code of Conduct, developed by a cross-sector team of medical donation and standards experts. These resources are available to anyone on the MSA website. You can download the Code of Conduct here. The toolkit provides links to additional resources. MSROs use the online self-assessment to indicate whether they meet each standard and upload supporting documents and images. MSROs cover the non-refundable application fee, as well as the expenses incurred by the reviewer who conducts the site visit. Thank you for your interest in the MedSurplus Alliance and the accreditation program. And more importantly, way more importantly, thank you for your passion to help kids, families, and individuals around the world get the medical care they need. We look forward to working with you.